from onlineforexanalysis.com. Just wanted to do an update for October. This is for my non-subscriber viewers, just to give you a bit of an insight of what's going on. So what we will be going and talking about today is the Australian dollar in particular, and a little bit on the euro, and then we can have a look at the US dollar index. So let's go to the Australian. This is what we've got so far on the monthly. So pretty much hitting up resistance here at the 105.83 area. No real insight except for got a pretty good resistance level there. Now on the weekly, so this was a bull flag, broke but didn't make the confirmation line, comes straight back off it. Okay, so this is a classic case of failed breakout, which is interesting. So let's go to the daily here. Now this is the daily Australian US. Now what you can see here is that we're in consolidation phase. Now let's have a look at if we do break to the downside, what we get here is basically the 98.04 mark. Now, the reason why I'm focusing on the Australian, mind you, it just dropped its interest rates by 25 basis points, and also we're getting some insight information on the bond futures that possibly could be another 50 basis point drop by February, so just keep that in mind. I'm concentrating on the Australian just in regards to its weakness, and also in regards to other pairings. So let's just go to the Euro Australian, and what you can see here on the Euro Australian now, with the monthly here, we'll just if it breaks up to the end of this month in October, then we've got the 134 mark roughly, but not going. That's just an overview on the monthly there. With the weekly, it finishes above like where it is at the moment. We've got this target of the 140, so it's obviously going to hit the 133, 134 mark. So that is sort of, €1 buying more Australian, makes it weaker. So with the with the daily Euro Australian, we've also got this sort of bull flag close break, which is giving us the 134 mark. But I'm waiting for the weekly confirmation, and then I'm all fully on this one. So basically the next point of resistance is the 130 mark on the Euro Australian. Just to keep that in mind. So there is a little bit of weakness there I can see in the Australian. Also, if we go to the Australian New Zealand, you can see that with the monthly on Australian buys US Kiwi, you've got the weekly buying US Kiwi already pretty much heading down to that way, and you've got the daily, which has hit its target, so we could see a little bit of a retracement maybe to the 125.45 mark. So that's just a bit on the Australian there for you. Let's go to the Euro. With the Euro bond buying and everything like that, I see a little bit of strength in this. On the monthly, it didn't really give me the best confirmation of a breakout, but considering this month, we probably will get that break up. And with the weekly, we've got a nice bull flag here, confirmation of the break of the 132 mark. So, and just a quick update on the American. Let's just go to the weekly. We've got a bear flag here, so if we do get a break to the downside, confirmation at 78, then we could see quite a drop in the US dollar to its pairs. So that's just an update for you from onlineforexanalysis.com. And if you'd like to email me, please do so, admin@onlineforex.